Welcome to Headcoin Daily, guys, the channel which brings you every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Today we are talking about Meta Flokishu. MetaFlokishu.com is their website, and let's have a look what exactly they offer us today. World's first reflectionary metaverse crypto, and yes, we have right now the pre-sale, so you can make here some extra profits. You always know that the lower the price, the more the profits, right? Works on an autonomous, frictionless and liquidity generation protocol. Simply hold MetaFlo tokens in your wallet and earn passive income. For sure, guys, they have here a white paper. It is right now 12 sides long, so it is more a light paper, and you can see here everything what they offer us. So we want to plan to do here an NFT games, play to earn games, and so on. So they have here many stuff integrated. Please feel free to look in their white paper. Very good explanation here. But let's have a look further what they write on the website. The blockchain solution with an initiative wallet set aside from the initial supply and an aggressive transaction tax disruption. MetaFlo allows you to earn big as you hold. Safe and secure transactions are on BSC Network, the cheapest, fastest and most secure network. Liquidity Pool will be fully locked automatically after the pre-sale is over. Very nice future here. Great investment. Meta Flokishu is a reflectory token. Every holder simply earns passive income just holding the token. Integrated app token will be used to mine our NFTs and play to earn token. Fiat and crypto payments. Accumulating wealth has never been this simple. Scalable profits. We are also launching a series of utilities and platforms over the coming months, which will all generate revenue independently. Buyback flows. 3% MetaFlo is collected from every transaction and converted to BNB, which are stored in the liquidity pool. Meta Flokishu is a BEP20 token, so that means it is on the Binance Smart Chain. We have here 12% tokenomics and 100% locked into the liquidity pool. Token disruption. 50% of the token are reserved for the whitelist and the pre-sale, which is right now, guys. The pre-sale is right now. 10% R&D, 10% marketing, airdrops, and 20% get burned. Our vision, MetaVerse in every wallet. We believe the blockchain should be invisible and all of the new games. We will use simple game mechanics that all players can enjoy, whether or not they consider themselves to be blockchain pros. And this is very important. If I want to go forward, if I want to use the blockchain as a consumer, right, we always have to see with consumers' eyes, because not everyone is a pro, not everyone knows even what is in blockchain, not everyone knows what is Bitcoin exactly and how it really works. But they want one thing, they want that it works and it is secured what I am doing there, right? So let's have a look further. We have here 5% reflection, 3% liquidity pool, 4% marketing, and 100 trillion is the total supply. So that's it for now. For sure, you can find them on Twitter and Telegram. Let's have a look on the Telegram group. Right now 87 members, 17 online. It is a very fresh project. What I want to mention also, right now in the pre-sale. You 15 minimum is in pre-sale 0.25 BNB, and this is what you have to invest. For sure, this token with the smart nodes staking platform would be a dual rewarding token, 12% on tokenomics and 0.899 daily on the staking platform. This is the information what I get, and they will have integrated wallet mobile app for both NFTs and tokens on 4 or more networks. And for sure, for the play to earn game, now is the demo version. We will constantly update, and when the NFTs payment method is hooked, they're gonna launch it on App Store for iOS and Google Play for Android. So it is near finish, guys, and you can play to earn their tokens if you just play the game. And this is the future. I mean, in past we play and waste just time and get nothing for it, right? Just experience, but with experience you cannot always buy everything. So it is a nice feature for play to earn. This is the future of gaming. This is what I think. But let's have a look also on their Twitter account. 9 followers right now they have. I think they are real followers. It is very small right now. It is a new project, but that's why they spread slowly and nicely the informations out in the internet. And let's have a look how they go forward with all this informations for their community. So guys, that's it for me right now. Please feel free to look on the website metaflokishu.com, and for sure I would join first the Telegram group, then ask questions if you have them. They will answer it every day, every hour. Feel free to ask, and early bird catch the fish. So if you want to make here some nice profit, it is a very early project. It is in the beginning right now at the pre-sale, and feel free to ask them every question. Invest now if you want to make some profits in a couple of weeks. Guys, that's it for now. I wish you all the best and see you later in the next video. Bye.